Joins us of option strategist buy alerts to take a look at this name and how you would approach a name like this in an example trade, please.
Yeah, absolutely. And, Visa certainly bounced nicely off that 305 level once again. So has put in support kind of similar to the overall market here going forward. So not really looking for fireworks to the upside post earnings. I don't think it'll be threatening the all-time highs at all here, even with a good number. But I think it could creep a little bit higher towards that kind of 350 level where it stalled out prior. Options market implying about a 4% move, which would correlate right with that 350 strike price as well. So I'm kind of guardedly bullish here, more capturing vol with this trade, going out buying the traditional May 16th expiration 350 calls, selling this week's 350 calls, paying about $1.65 for that. More importantly, really able to buy a IV under 30 out at the traditional Mays in 2 weeks and sell over a 50 IV here to hedge with, so capturing some very nice term structure vol, especially on a percentage basis, and it lines up right with that kind of technical overhang resistance at 350 and the expected market maker move upper boundary right around 350 as well. So kind of like this trade on all fronts here. I don't think anything big will happen, not only with Visa but with the big stocks reporting tomorrow and Thursday. I think the clarity that's lacking in this market will prevent any big rips to the upside here. But I think we could make a small move higher here, generally on Visa and in stocks as well, just given that it seems like the damage has been done in the market and maybe will continue to grind higher, albeit a much slower pace.
You feel like the damage is not, would you even say that the bottom is in? I don't know. You tell me, what are your thoughts on the market, big picture here, near term and long term?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, April 7th, I actually chatted out that I think we just put in a low at the 5,000 level on the S&P. Kind of got lucky there to prove to be the low here. I just think things got so overdone to the negative side, both on the technical basis, sentiment, and everything else. So I don't think we're going to, move appreciably higher from here. 5,500 is kind of a key swing point in the S&P, I think. We're right there now, trading just above it. We'll see if that kind of is a magnet for stocks going forward here. So we're seeing lower trading ranges as well. Those kind of big swings that we saw a couple weeks back are starting to calm down a little here. So I think the market will find kind of its, place to hang out here. Valuation still not cheap on stocks. You're looking at price to sales on the S&P poking back up towards that 3x level, which proved to be a meaningful top twice, the only 2 times it ever traded there. So rich valuations will, I think, be a headwind for stocks here unless the Fed really cuts aggressively, which I don't see happening either.
Do you need to be a contrarian in this market, Tim? To try and take some risks, and is that what you have to be here?
I think put on more of your trader cap here, sell rallies, buy dips, and now the rallies are a little less, big to the upside. The dips a little less, kind of scary to the downside here. But I think, keep position size still relatively smaller than normal here. And absolutely, as you alluded to, if everyone's getting out, might be time to get in. If everyone's getting in, might get time to get out. That old Warren Buffett adage, right? Buy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy.
Tim Bigham, option strategist, buy alerts. Great to see you, Tim. Thank you so much.
You bet. Anytime. Take care now.